Homework can have many benefits for young children. It can improve their remembering and understanding of schoolwork. Homework can also help students develop study skills that will be of value even after they leave school. It can teach them that learning takes place anywhere, not just in the classroom. In addition, homework can foster positive character traits such as independence and responsibility and teach children how to manage their time. When mothers and fathers get involved with their children's homework, communication between the school and family can improve. It can clarify for parents what is expected of students and also tell them how their children are doing in school. This video shares and explains 6 helpful homework tips for parents with elementary school children. Tip number 1 is finding a location in the house where homework will be done. The right location will depend on your child and what works best for your family. Avoid having your child do homework with the television or in places with other distractions, such as people coming and going. Some children do best at a desk in their bedroom. It is a quiet location away from most of the family noise. Other children become too distracted by the things that they keep in their bedroom and do better at a place removed from those distractions, like the dining room table. Just make sure you have a discussion with your child to find a mutual place that you both agree on. Helpful homework tip number 2 is setting up a homework center or a material bin. Once you chose a location to do your child's homework, this homework center will include all the types of supplies your child might use to complete homework assignments. Outfit the homework center with the kinds of supplies your child is most likely to need, such as pencils, pens, colored markers, rulers, scissors, glue, construction paper. If you have more than one child, make sure you have enough supplies so there is no fighting over needing the same material at the same time. Helpful homework tip number 3 is establishing a homework time. Your child should get in the habit of doing homework at the same time every day. Establishing a homework time may vary depending on your individual child. Some children need a break right after school to get in some exercise or have a snack. Others need to start homework while they are still in school mode. In general, it may be best to get homework done either before dinner or as early in the evening as the child can tolerate. The later it gets, the more tired the child becomes and the more slowly the homework will get done. Another helpful homework tip for parents of children in elementary school is tip number 4, to establish a daily homework schedule or to make a plan. By establishing a daily homework schedule, you are able to lay out and map out how many hours a day you have to dedicate to homework with your child. Keep in mind of all the practices that your child may participate in, like gymnastics, soccer, baseball, or religion. By making this schedule, you are able to see how many hours a day you can dedicate to homework and what days you need to get ahead. Helpful homework tip number 5 is setting a good example. Setting a good example can mean 2 things. First, when your child asks for help, provide guidance, not answers. Giving answers means your child will not learn the material. Too much help teaches your child that when the going gets rough, someone will do the work for him or her. When your child does homework, you do homework is another way to set a good example. Show your child that the skills that they are learning are related to things that you do as adults. If your child is reading, you read too. If your child is doing math, balance your checkbooks or write out some bills. Helpful homework tip number 6 is to praise your child's work and efforts. Keep track of your child's efforts and behavior while doing homework throughout the week. Each day that your child does homework quickly and without any arguments, give them a tally mark or a sticker. When all the stickers add up to the set amount, give your child a reward, whether that is extra computer time or pick the restaurant to eat at. Follow all or as many helpful homework tips as you'd like. Remember, you know your child best, and being involved in his or her learning is extremely important.